Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I subscribe to the swling.com website, and they send me emails whenever they have a new article. Sometimes I get 2 or 3 emails a day. I've told you about this website several times because it's a great website for information about radios, antennas, shortwave listening, whatever. And this one caught my eye. This is a post by Ben Zion, and he spotted this Sony portable radio. I have never seen this radio. It's a little fuzzy because I guess he did a screen capture of the movie. Looks like it's 4 bands, and it's in the movie. It's a 1980s movie, South African film, The Gods Must Be Crazy. And you can click on this when you go to the website and bit more information. But down here, this gentleman says it's a Sony ICF-6000L. Never heard of that. So I did a search on that, and I found this one, which is a W, but it's only police band, FM, and AM. It's only 3 bands. Here's another one. It's a W, 3 bands. Then I did a search and found this. This is the L. This is on Radio Museum. It says it's a 1975 to 1977 vintage. And there's some pictures of it. And I can't zoom in, but I think I can read this. And I think it says FM, AM, long wave, and shortwave on the L version. Here's some more information. Does it say? It doesn't say the bands. At least I won't see it. AM, long wave, shortwave, plus FM or UHF. But it doesn't list the actual bands themselves. I don't see anywhere. Oh well. And then you can go to this radio museum and look up the radio and get some better pictures. Very unusual radio. I've never seen this radio. If you've seen this radio, let us know. There he goes, a close-up. FM, medium wave, long wave, and shortwave. I don't know what the shortwave range is. Huh. Oh well. I thought I'd just show you this. This was very unusual. I've never seen one. Maybe Jeff, my buddy that loans me all his radios for showing to you, maybe he can find one. Like I say, the ones that I found on the eBay, and it doesn't look like it's eBay in the United States, but it's eBay, were W's, which don't have shortwave. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.